Hey there, I'm Carter and welcome to ICPDOS USA. Now today we're going to be talking about how your data center might be costing you more than you think and why upgrading even before things break is the smartest move you can make. Now in most cases this is actually due to legacy infrastructure, which on the surface might look normal at first, but over time a lot of inefficiencies start to add up. For example, cooling. According to an article by Data Center Knowledge, cooling typically accounts for 40% of energy use in legacy facilities. This is because legacy equipment is much less efficient and tends to waste your energy, which therefore accounts to higher energy consumption, where you're essentially paying for energy that you're not even using. On top of that, global data center energy consumption by cooling is expected to double by 2030. This is primarily due to the increasing demands of AI, edge computing, and cloud infrastructure. This means by 2030, we could see cooling account for up to 80% of your total energy consumption, which a large chunk of that in a legacy system would be contributed to wasted energy. But how much would this actually cost you? Well, energy is already one of the largest operating costs for data centers. And if, for example, your data center is spending $1 million per year on energy, you can expect around a $400,000 jump. That's extra money being spent on inefficiency that could have been reinvested into modernizing, essentially removing these inefficiencies and in turn, saving you money. But here's the scariest part. You can't fix what you don't see, meaning inefficiencies are just screaming at you on the top of a hill, right? If you don't have high quality monitoring equipment, there's no way to tell exactly where these problems are coming from and what's actually causing them. But don't worry, it's not all bad news from here. There's actually a pretty simple way to fix this, and by fixing it, I mean potentially saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. According to a case study done by the Department of Energy, simply improving airflow and cooling management in a federal data center cut energy use by nearly 50%. And another study by NREL found that many facilities could reduce cooling costs by 30% just with better monitoring systems. So the easiest way to completely cut out these inefficiencies, cut costs, and save your money in the long run would be to invest in equipment that can pinpoint exactly where these inefficiencies are coming from and put a stop to them. That's why I recommend ICPDOS's DL series loggers, PM series power meters, and WISE controllers so you can have that real-time visibility and automated control to find the waste. In our next video, we'll be going over exactly how to use these tools to solve this issue, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. So please leave a like if you liked, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell so you don't miss out.